Go check out Bukhari. And there's another fourth incident about donkey that I want to conclude the khutbah with as we talk about donkey, is that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, well, it's a narration. Some say it's a hadith of a lesson, a story of the people of the time, in the back, when, what. Some scholars say it's weak, some say it's strong, some say it's authentic. Forget about the debate of what it is. Let's get to the lesson of it. There was once a man, passing by a cemetery. And while he was passing by the cemetery, he heard the braying of a donkey. Braying of what? A donkey. Then there was another incident, some interpret it as, the man saw the grave open, something came out with the head of a donkey and the body of a human being. Go check it out, you'll see. It's very powerful. A lot of scholars use this in references. Very deep. So he inquired, what is this? Something very strange. Bahut ajeeb hai bhai. He finally found a lady who was able to inform him that what is happening there, we don't know. But there was this mother who used to advise her son every day after Asr Salah, when the afternoon come, the son used to go to drink alcohol. So she used to warn him, my son, where you going? Where you go? Why you do this? Leave this off. Stop this haram thing. Stop this haram thing. And you see your brain like a donkey. You know how some kids talk to their parents nowadays? Say, but Dad, you're talking like a donkey, man. Why are you barking like a dog? Why you... Parents, some kids tell their parents that. Today. So he was telling his mother, but you're sounding like your brain like a donkey. When he died, every day after Asr Salah, people will hear the sound of a donkey coming out of that grave. Very interesting. Parents is a very powerful thing in this lesson, in the Quran and all over the Quran and Sunnah. What you plant is what you reap. What we plant is what we reap. How we treat our children, that's what will, our parents, that's what will happen back to us. Be very careful. Very interesting narration in the lessons of parents and children, and how this man, some say his head will come out like a donkey and the grave will open, come out, go back, every day at the same time. So be careful, those of us who abuse parents, insulted parents, please make some tawbah. Big tawbah. Go buy a bunch of donkeys and give it away in charity or something. And buy all the donkeys so you won't turn into a donkey. Do what we could do, because that is very deep. Out of all the sins that a person may commit in this world, there is one sin that you have to pay before we leave this world. And that is when you break and hurt parents. Very big lesson in this.